YouTube, what is going down, guys? You guys already know what it is. It is Woods, and I'm back at it again with another haircut tutorial for you guys. In this haircut tutorial, it is a basic lineup tutorial. So we're basically just doing an undercut on a man bun type of style. Right here I have my one guard all the way closed, going against the grain, making sure that I'm using that comb to stretch those long hairs to make sure I don't nip at them. If you start nipping at them, your partings will start to get bigger, and I'm pretty sure it's not going to be a desired haircut that you're going for. Alright, so now we're going in with some holding spray because now it's time to go ahead and dive deep into that lineup. So now we're going in using a very generous amount, drying everything into place, brushing everything into place. If you have some long hairs that are starting to come down, pull those up. The holding spray is going to hold everything up into place. Just go ahead, make sure everything is dry, so we can go ahead and execute a very crispy lineup. So now we're going in with our liners, using our edges, taking our time around the ear, not trying to really push it back too far. We want to keep everything as natural and crispy as possible. Alright, now that we went ahead and made a straight line all down the nape area, we start in the middle of the nape and connect the dots. Just make a nice, soft, rounded tip, and that's how you basically do a nice, soft, rounded back lineup on an undercut. Alright, so go ahead, starting on this front line, and we want to start all the way in the middle, making sure that we're working our way to the highest side, making sure that we're keeping this side as crispy as we possibly can, but also as natural as we can as well, making sure we're not pushing this too high. Right here, when it comes to the vertical bars on this specific haircut, I decided to use the push and then chomp method. Push until I get the darkest point, and then go ahead and chomp any excess hair that's hanging over. Right here, I'm working my way all the way to the right side, just going ahead and cutting anything that's in my way from keeping this line as straight and crispy as possible. Right here, I'm just going ahead doing the same method that I did on the other side. When it comes to the sideburns, I want to go ahead and set in everything. He wanted his sideburns to end right at the earlobe of the ear. You see me signaling right there, because he had already let me know what's good. So right here, we're going ahead and pushing in the sideburns until we get that nice crispy Icepick sideburn, connecting the dots using the corners. I had already tapped the corner of the top of the corner of his lining, and I was just connecting the dots using the edge of my trimmer. Now we go ahead and repeat. When it comes to the other side, you basically just gotta lock in, go search, go back and forth, look both sides, make sure that everything is nice and symmetrical. Try to do everything the exact same way that you did on the other side. But I'm just gonna go ahead right here, guys, and let you watch. Guys, you guys see how my guy came in. He was months without a haircut. He was damn near like, hey bro, at this point, just go ahead and cut all my hair off. I don't think I want it anymore. But you know what? We went ahead, locked in, and gave him this. You guys already know what it is, guys. If you guys like this video, don't forget to go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Like the video if you like the video, because why wouldn't you like the video if you like the video? But go ahead and drop a comment down below. I love to hear what you guys have to say down in the comments below. But hey guys, this is Woods, and I'm out.